Hi everyone! Just wanted to hop on in honor of launching my new packing service and give you a how-to in avoiding overpacking because I know that can be a real struggle. So I've got 4 easy steps for you, and the first thing to do when packing in order to avoid overpacking is to detail out your itinerary. And so what that means is you need to write down what you're going to be doing each day and then take a look at what the weather will be like each day, because obviously these two things go hand in hand in order to tell you what to be wearing for the week. The second thing that you need to do once you know what's going on each day is then to figure out how many different types of outfits you need to wear each day. So, for example, if you're on a beach vacation, let's say, in the morning you're probably gonna get up, put on your bathing suit and cover up, go down for breakfast, and then be at the beach all day, maybe get lunch at the beach, and then probably go back to the room, shower, and then get ready for a nice dinner. So in that case, we're looking at 2 different outfit types. You've got your beach wear, and then you've got your evening dinner wear. But if you're on a work vacation, well, I guess I shouldn't say vacation, a work trip, or maybe like a European, more adventurous traveling vacation, then you're looking at way different outfits. You know, for work, you're looking at your business wear and then maybe getting a little bit more dressed up in the evening. If you're on a more adventurous trip, you might need a couple outfits, something for hiking, you're walking around a town all day, specific types of outfits based on, you know, what you need covered up, if you're going to churches, things like that. So that's what you need to determine. Make a little chart and figure out what types of outfits that you need based on each day. That's how you'll determine how many different things you need to pack. My third tip, and obviously my favorite, is mixing and matching. You know, that's what I'm all about. So the first thing to think about, just like in your closet, is focusing on transitional pieces. So in your closet, I always say minimize your closet, maximize your wardrobe by having those transitional pieces, because you'll have pieces, it's one piece that you wear 3 ways for whatever you have going on in your life. Same thing applies to packing. So we're trying to pack you pieces that you can wear during the day and then dress them up at night. They're going to function multiple ways. In which case, if you're on, let's say, a 7-day trip, then you'd only need 7 different tops or 7 different dresses, something like that. Good transitional pieces when packing for men are going to be button-downs or polos. For women, you're looking at either tops or dresses. And those transitional pieces are going to be where you have your variety and kind of have fun with it. They're going to provide color, etc. A way to limit the amount of pieces, another way to do that, besides just having the transitional pieces where you'll wear it all day long, is to pack neutral bottoms. And so by neutral bottoms, I mean either pants or skirts that are neutral, and then shoes that are neutral. In this case, you're probably going to be able to pack, you know, 1 pair or a couple pairs of casual pants, a couple pairs of dressy pants, and then 1 pair of dressy shoes and 1 pair of casual shoes. So let's think about it in terms of packing and what your trip might be. If you've got your transitional tops, that's where all your variety and fun comes in. You can have at least 1 a day for that. So think 1 blouse that you're able to put with your single pair of neutral pants in the morning and afternoon. At night, you're going to put that same blouse with a different accessory, and then you're going to put it with your dressier pants or skirt and your more dressier shoes. So you're seeing that you're putting more emphasis on where your color is and on the pieces that are lighter in your wardrobe. So it's less heavy and less to pack, and then focusing neutrals in your bottoms, which is what you typically do anyways. So limiting the amount of pieces. The last thing to think about once you've written down your itinerary, figured out the types of outfits that you need, and then you've packed your transitional pieces, so you've limited the amount of pieces that you need to pack. You've got that all written down, take a breath, you're done. Don't fear and stress about I think I might need more. No, you've done the work, you're good to go. Zip up that suitcase and get excited to go on your trip. Now, if you need one-on-one help, if it's still too overwhelming to pack, I get it, it's a lot of work. I now offer a packing service, so let me know. You can either leave a comment, give me a call, shoot me an email, whatever works for you. Check out my website if you want to learn more about that packing service. Otherwise, just keep following me for more tips. Thanks, guys.